Shielded Metal Arc Welding, or SMAW, gives you the necessary skills to an entry-level position where shielded metal arc welding is the predominant welding process. You will develop skills utilizing E7018 and E6010 in flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead welding positions. Job opportunities: aerospace, agriculture, automotive, chemical processing, construction, manufacturing, oil and gas extraction, plumbing and pipe welding, robotics, underwater welding, welding shop business, and more. The advantages of performing SMAW for your welding career are vast. Not only can it suitably weld a number of different alloys, metals, and steels, but it's also a process with various other upsides, not the least of which are its simplicity and relatively inexpensive nature. For example, the SMAW process isn't as draft or wind sensitive as gas-shielded arc welding can be, nor does it necessitate the use of auxiliary gas shields. SMAW can also be applied to various welding positions, as well as its electrodes being able to access, and be applied to, hard-to-reach areas such as blind spots. Given how versatile and productive the process can be, it's easy to see how advantageous it is for many welding projects. Why should you invest in this technique? If you are new to this welding process, why not invest in a formation? First, a good welder should know multiple techniques, in part because each one has potentialities which can be used in several activities. Second, because SMAW welding is a manual process that allows you to acquire dexterity and improve your technique as a welding professional. The more knowledge you have, more easily will you accomplish perfect welds.